Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag from your Toyota Corolla 2016. So first we have to make sure like the battery it's disconnected. So you will want to open the hood and you're going to lose these nuts and this nut so you can remove this from the battery. So once your battery is once you remove these two from your battery, you will have to wait like 15 minutes just to make sure like all of the electricity it's out of the system. So after you wait 15 minutes and you are sure like there's no electricity in the system, you can start like removing the airbag. So there's like one hole here, then you're going to see another hole over here, and then you will want to remove this cap. So let's start doing this. So I'm going to remove this first. So you're going to see like there's like some kind of like stick. There's like a stick. I don't know if you can see it, but like after you remove the cap, you're going to see over here like a stick. You're going to press this. So then this side is going to open. Then you're going to do the same for the other side. So you're going to this one, it's kind of like awkward, so you will want to use like a longer and a thinner tool. So I'm going to use this tool. It's longer and thinner. So yeah, this is really hard. So once you hear like the click, you're going to see that this is like open. So after that, you are going to do the third hole that it's like underneath. So once you do the third hole, you're going to see like this is open, and you will be able to remove the whole thing. So you can see here. So I'm going to start removing this part. This is the grounding. So to remove this, you have to hit like, I don't know if you can see the little thing. You have to kind of like do the leverage, so you can kind of remove this. Okay, you see? So after you remove these, you're going to remove these ones like this, and then this one like this. Then you can just like pull this out. Just like this. You see? So right now the airbag is out. So you can put it just right here in case like this pop out. It's going to be safe. So that's how you remove the airbag from your. So now it's easier to see where to hit. Where are the sticks that you have to hit? So you can see that it's this one. If you go through here, you want to hit this one. And this one. You see? Those are the 3 sticks that we want to hit in order to open the airbag, in order to remove the airbag. And then we want to unplug the wires on the ground.